We were looking at this renovation project. It wasn't a big project, but it was relatively complex work because it's a load-bearing wall. We wanted to have a custom-made counter and TV console. I was looking to see who can do it best for us. So I asked friends, I did some online searches, and finally I found Green Bay.
We don't feel that Tom is just our project manager. We think that he's our friend because we could discuss everything with him, and we had a very good experience with him.
At the same time that they were doing the work, we were living in the house, so they needed to have extra care to make sure that we can have the space clean out every day after they leave, so we can continue with our daily life as well, and they took care of that, especially during the construction. Tom, Jaime, Geraldo, everybody was doing very good quality work in fast speed. We decided that while they're here, maybe we can also ask them to help us with the stairs and match the vinyl with the floor. We got the quote, we bought the materials, and when they started the work, in 2 days they finished it. And then we also decided that, okay, the carpets upstairs and downstairs are old, so we decided to go with a good material and replace the whole carpets. They came up with very good recommendations. They brought us several samples. They started the work, and in 2 days they finished. They created an outstanding experience, and we thank them for that.